of innovation, technology, including AI and blockchain, this is the C# Corner Daily Tech Updates. I'm Amber, bringing you the latest stories shaping the future of technology from New York City. Elon Musk has shared what to expect from Tesla and SpaceX in 2026, calling it a banger year. Tesla aims to roll out widespread robotaxi services and launch Optimus V3, the next version of its humanoid robot. SpaceX is targeting full reusability of Starship and major Starlink satellite shipments. Musk also said manufacturing on the moon will focus on heavy components like solar cells, while chips will still come from Earth. Tesla also crossed 9 million cars produced, with Model Y remaining the world's best-selling car. The U.S. has approved annual export licenses allowing Samsung and SK Hynix to ship chip-making equipment to their factories in China through 2026. This replaces the earlier waiver system with stricter year-by-year approvals. The move allows maintenance of existing facilities but blocks upgrades to advanced technologies. Since both companies produce a large share of global memory chips in China, the decision is crucial amid rising AI-driven demand. However, the yearly approval system adds uncertainty for chipmakers and U.S. equipment suppliers. Japan's Kioxia Holdings emerged as the best-performing stock of 2025, beating Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft. The company's shares surged 540% after its December 2024 IPO, driven by exploding demand for NAND flash memory used in AI data centers. As the AI race shifted focus from GPUs to memory, Kioxia benefited from a global supply shortage. The company now counts Apple and Microsoft among its customers, though its stock also saw sharp volatility during the year. Apple has added the iPhone 11 Pro to its vintage products list, along with the final Intel-based MacBook Air and several Apple Watch Series 5 models. Vintage products are those discontinued for over 5 but under 7 years and may still receive limited hardware repairs. The iPhone 11 Pro, launched in 2019, can still run the latest iOS 26. Once devices cross the 7-year mark, they become obsolete and lose hardware support entirely. And that's all from today's edition of the Tech News Roundup. For more daily tech updates, follow C# Corner on social media or visit C#Corner/news.